Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace, and if today's the first time here, you're very welcome. If today is not your first time here, thank you very much for coming back to watch my videos. Today's video I will be doing an unboxing, and I will be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And not only will I be unboxing the new iPhone, I will also be doing like a comparison with the iPhone XS Max, which is my old iPhone that I got last year. And last year I did do an unboxing on that. I know the iPhone 11 Pro Max is already like out there. It's been out for like 2 months, and this is coming late. But the truth is, I wasn't even planning on getting it. It was not just in my agenda because I already had a new iPhone. So what was the need? I had a baby that was just 1 year old. But 2 days ago was my birthday, my 25th birthday, and I think yes, I have the vlog. I did a vlog on it, and I'm going to put it in the description, or I'm going to put it somewhere so you guys should check it out. And I got a new phone, so for my 25th birthday, and I was like, okay, no problem. I'm just gonna do this unboxing video and tell you guys my review and compare these two phones. I'm not a technician. I'm not really good with tech stuff. So my comparison will pretty much be on like the little things that I could, tell just by looking at the phone, or little stuff. And with that said, let's jump into this video. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. This is the 64 gigabyte, and yes, I'm actually glad I got a 64 gigabyte this time around, because I'm like, you know what? I don't use my phone for work. I don't have lots of things that I want to save. 64 gigabytes is more than enough for me. If I want more, I could, just buy more storage on iCloud or something like that. I can't really remember. And this right here is the packaging for the XS Max that came out last year. Now this is the two of them. Which one did I feel? I feel this one is more flashy. This one is more eye-catching. This one is like simple, it's elegant, it's, we didn't try much to impress you. We just want to just blast the fact that we have 3 cameras in your face, and that is pretty much it. I don't think there was much work put into this. So I prefer the one from last year. I don't know, I just feel like it was just a little bit thought through. And before I go ahead and open this bad boy, I wanted to show you guys something that I found. Now this is my first iPhone, guys. This is my first iPhone. I can't remember if it's an iPhone 5 or 5X. I can't really remember, but it's just so cute that I found it, and it's so funny. I miss the home touch. I don't really miss owning my phone from here, but it's more like started from the bottom, now we're here kind of thing. And back then the iPhone logo used to be way up here, and now it's like a lot more down, and that's just to show you improvement. Years have gone by, and technology is always going crazy, and that's just it. Anyway, this is not the first time I'm opening this phone, or rather I would say the phone was already opened by a boyfriend, because when he got the phone, he had to like always take it to the guy that was going to put a glass on, because I'm always scared of like dropping my new phone. So the phone was already opened by the guy so that he could put the glass on, but I've not really like brought out the phone and on the phone and stuff like that. So that I will be doing with you guys today. So let's open this up. Okay, and voila, this is it. This is the most talked about phone, like, guys, this is it. I'm just gonna slightly bring this out. I don't want it to fall. Okay, now I got it in gray. Is this gray or black? I feel like this is gray, and I like the fact that this is in gray, because my XS Max was actually, this is my XS Max right here. My XS Max that I got last year was in gold. So off the back, what I can see is the fact that the XS Max was this glassy, shiny kind of vibe. Let's just say glassy vibe, and this looks more like a frosted vibe, a frosted glass. So that is the two notable difference. This is like plain glass, you can actually like see yourself in it, and this is frosted glass, you cannot see yourself in it. And I think the second obvious, very obvious difference is also the camera. So here we have two, here we have three. Sorry guys, I'm not raising it up. Here we have three. And another thing that I noticed is the fact that the iPhone logo in the 10X Max is way up, and in the 11 Pro Max is like in the middle, guys. Now I want to compare it with my first iPhone, the 5X. I want to see like how up it is compared to the 10X Max. I think they were around the same, yeah. It was just almost around the same place. Maybe this one is a bit higher and this is lower. Then another thing that I noticed is also the fact that in the new 11 Pro Max, the whole iPhone situation going right here, like the iPhone name written with designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, is not over here. So this one is more sophisticated. It just has the logo on the camera and that is it. It does not have like the whole description on it. Now I'm going to tell you guys what else is inside the box. So we have instructions, who cares, stickers, what else, ciao, hola, bienvenue, all of those good stuff. And then we also have the pin that you're going to need to open up the phone when you want to put your SIM. Well, that's all that is here. And what else? Okay, I need to put this back. Wait. Did I do it? No. I'm actually bad at this. I can assemble things, guys. Like, okay, all right. That is that. The next thing in here is the charger. So I actually found out that the charger this year is different from the one from last year, and I heard that it's way faster, so automatic, so which means it charges your phone faster and your phone lasts longer. So if you're the type of person who is working with your phone, you're always playing game with your phone, you're always chatting like me, you're always in social media, be grateful to God, because this does justice to your need. It caters to your need, and I really want to see how it is. Then the next thing that is here is a set of earpiece. Now there is one thing that I really have to say. I just feel like, I know that if you get maybe the one with the 250 gigabyte, you get an AirPod, but I'm like, come on, I pay so much to get an iPhone 11 Pro Max. You could as well give me an AirPod. Like, I want this. But anyway, I'm not complaining. I don't really think I like AirPod like that. I just like my normal basic earpiece, so I don't have a problem with it. But I just feel like if ever they're going to, like, okay, there is already an iPhone 12, but they should at least give an AirPod to everyone that has an iPhone 12, because it costs way too much money to have basic earpiece. And of course, I'm not going to go buy AirPod. I don't freaking care. So the last thing in here is I don't know how to say cable in English. Oh my god, my English is, when you're multilingual, you get into confusion. Should I say the wire, whatever it is? This is it. And just like I said, the charger is different, so the mount that is connected to this part is larger. But this other part is the same thing, I guess. Now I'm going to try to insert it into my 10X Max and see if it can charge my 10X Max. Yes. So on my 10X Max, it works. Amazing, it goes. Let's see if it's going to work or I doubt. This is the iPhone 5X, I can't remember. Yeah, perfect, but that's good. And obviously it's gonna work on the 11 Pro Max. Like there's no need to even test it, but just for testing's sake, here it is. So right now I am done with everything that is in here. We can as well close this and move on with our lives. So now I'm going to on it for the first time. Oh god, my hands are so oily and I think I'm staining the glass simply because I decided not to go on makeup today and just have lip gloss on, and my hands are just like so glossy and stuff like that. Anyway, so we're going to on this right now. So guys, I'm on it for the first time. And I'm going to set it up. It takes quite a while to get to on. Let's see. Okay. It's like, hello. Hello. Hola. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to go back to English and then I'll swipe up and we can start. Because right now it's saying bonjour. Oh, there's many languages. I'm not ready for all of this right now. You know what? English. Select your country or region. I stay in Italy, so I think I would have loved to screen grab this, but I don't know if I can. I can't screen grab these at the moment because I'm not on the phone before. So I'm going to go down to Italy. Yep. And it's set in my language to Italy, but no problem, I don't mind. Set up manually. I want to set this up manually because there's actually an option where it says if you want, you can, like, you know, just keep your iPhone, your old iPhone close to your new iPhone, and automatically, like, the data you have in your old iPhone will just transfer to your new. So guys, I have gone ahead and set up my phone. It took quite a while and I didn't want to bore you guys, but one thing that I quickly noticed while trying to set up my phone was the option in which you could either choose if you wanted the appearance of your phone to be light or dark, or you can put it in automatic and it pretty much chooses for you. So like this is it. This is the light version. You can see it's bright. Every color that you see is bright, and this is like, if you choose automatic, it will start from sunrise to sunset. But if you don't want that and you want something darker, then you can go with the dark option, and as you can see, it's dark, and that is it. So if you're going for automatic, you don't want it to just be like this every time. You're going for automatic, this will start from sunset to sunrise. So mine is in automatic, as you can see, so it changes whenever it wants to. Now another thing that I noticed, now one thing I want to know is, I want to know, like, the XX Max, the 10X Max and the 11 Pro Max, which one is bigger? I feel like it's the same size to me, or maybe the Pro Max is just a teeny bit bigger. I don't know guys, I can't tell. I feel like the 11 is just a teeny bit bigger. Anyway, another thing that I did notice is the camera quality, guys. Camera quality, amazing. I know people have been talking about it and I wanted to see for myself. I like the fact that, you know, I can zoom in but also zoom out. So this Pro Max is amazing if you're vlogging. The camera is good because right now, okay, I think there's, so this is the 10X Max and this is the 11. So I want to do something and I'm going to insert it. So let's see. If I pick these two phones and I go to video, let's turn it this way around. Now this is the Pro, this is the Pro, and this is the XX Max. And I'm going to start the video at the same time. Let's go for a selfie video. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go. So now this is a lot wider. This is not as wide as this other one. This is dark, like, and this is still good, but not as good as the 10, like as the 11, I mean. So let's see. Okay. Okay. I should have had makeup on. Okay. So this is both of them in front of me. Great. So I'm going to insert that clip so you guys can see it. So camera wise, I have said what it's supposed to be said. I feel like the home screen is the same thing. There's no difference. It's the same everywhere. Like it's the basic iPhone. I don't want to stress myself, so we'll just keep going with the same thing. So it's the same. What else? I think it's gonna go with this. It's fast, it moves fast. Okay, so another thing that I want to check right now, which is something that I heard people say, I'm not sure about it. So I've already fixed the face identification on this as well. So now with the 10X Max, I know that I just have to look into the screen for it to be open. If I'm looking from the side, it will not open. If I look from here, it will not open. It will only open if I'm facing forward. But with the 11 Pro Max, I heard that I can even, let me off this, even if I am to the side, it still recognizes, it's still open, and I think that's good. That's a good one. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. But before I say my goodbyes, what do I think about these two phones? Well, the only thing I'm going to say is this: if you have a 10X Max, why waste money to get this other one when it's basically like no much difference, except if you're someone who is like so keen on what do they call it, photography, videography, then I would recommend you go for the 11. If not, the 10X Max is still good. The only difference that I know that I've noticed so far is just the battery, the fact that it charges very fast and it lasts longer, and then the camera, everything, it's pretty much the same thing to me. So that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, love you, and bye.